The nude strike was called on in which jail of Bihar? The answer is Chapra. Who founded the Socialist Party in Bihar in 1931? Answer is Jayaprakash Narayan. What is the form of agriculture in Bihar? The answer is livelihood. What are the main commercial and cash crops of Bihar? The answer is sugarcane and jute.
For what are the gardens of North Bihar famous?
Famous. The answer is mango, lychee, and banana. The goods train wagon manufacturing unit in Bihar is situated in which place? The answer is Muzaffarpur. When and where was the first sugar mill in Bihar founded? The answer is in Madhura in 1905. What is the main source of irrigation in Bihar? The answer is canals. Which is the oldest canal in Bihar? The answer is Son Nahar. Which area of Bihar is mostly irrigated by canals? Answer is the Son command area. From where the eastern Kosi canal derived? The answer is Hanuman Nagar barrage. What is the name of canal diverted from Valmiki Nagar? The answer is Gandak Canal. In which year the Kosi project was completed? The answer is 1965. Which area of Bihar is mostly irrigated by tube wells? The answer is Samastipur. What is the main source of electric power in Bihar? The answer is thermal power. Which agency has founded the Kahalgaon Thermal Power Project? The answer is National Thermal Power Corporation NTPC. Which is the highest wheat yielding area of Bihar? The answer is Sasaram. What is the main Rabi crop of Bihar? The answer is wheat. Which are the maximum potatoes yielding area of Bihar? The answer is Nalanda and Patna. What is the main cash crop in the plain situated between the river Gandak and the Kosi? The answer is sugarcane. What is the number of livestock cattle but 3 people in Bihar? Answer is 1. Where is the fertilizer company in Bihar located? The answer is Baroni. Where is the oil refinery in Bihar situated at? The answer is Baroni. Which city of Bihar has cigarette factory owned by private company? The answer is Munger. Famous Vishnupad temple is situated in which city of Bihar? The answer is Gaya. The maximum number of tourists visit which city of Bihar? The answer is Bodh Gaya. Whose tomb या mosque is Sasaram famous for? The answer is Sher Shah Suri. Thabe Pilgrim Center is situated in which district? The answer is Gopalganj. Animal fair of Sonpur is held in which district of Bihar? The answer is Saran district. City Bhagalpur is situated on the bank of which river? The answer is Ganga. The chief minister who introduced Charwaha school in Bihar was? The answer is Lalu Prasad Yadav. What is the name of Patna airport? Answer is Loknayak Jayaprakash Narayan Airport. Madhubani painting is related to which particular area of Bihar? The answer is Mithilanchal. The Gandak project in Bihar is shared by which other state of India? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. On which sector is the economy of Bihar mainly based? The answer is agriculture. Which industry is Bhagalpur famous for? The answer is silk. What is the number of districts in Bihar? The answer is 38. Kakolat waterfall is located in which district of Bihar? The answer is Nalanda district. Which river at Bihar is known as Sorrow of Bihar? The answer is River Kosi. Which place of Bihar receive highest rainfall? The answer is Kishanganj. Which is the highest jute producing district of Bihar? The answer is Purnia. Where is the Rajendra Agriculture University situated? The answer is Samastipur. Which is the largest tributary of the river Ganges? The answer is Saryu, Ghagra. What place does Bihar hold in the country in paddy production? The answer is fourth. What is the place of Bihar in the country in barley production? The answer is third. Paddy Research and Development Institute is situated in which district of Bihar? The answer is Ara. When was the oil refinery at Baroni founded? The answer is 1960. The border of Bihar is surrounded by how many states? The answer is 3 states. Which district of Bihar has least area? The answer is Shivhar. In which year did Bihar become a province of the British India? Answer is in 1911. What is the total length of roads in Bihar? The answer is 13,412. What is the main cash crop of Bihar? The answer is sugarcane. Hajipur is famous for which commercial unit? Answer is fruit processing. Bihar is situated in the north of which line? The answer is Tropic of Cancer. In which city of Bihar is the Khudabakhsh Library situated? The answer is Patna. What is the second official state language of Bihar? The answer is Urdu. What type of soil is mostly found in Bihar? The answer is alluvial. Which district of Bihar is famous for nylon industry? The answer is Munger. What is the main festival of Bihar? The answer is Chhath. Where was the famous ancient university of Bihar situated at? The answer is Nalanda. Most of the fertile lands of Bihar fall in which part of the region? The answer is North Bihar. Which river divides the plain of Bihar into parts? Answer is River Bagmati. Which crop is mostly cultivated in the eastern part of Bihar? Then Patsan. In the reign of which dynasty the Nalanda Mahavira was built in Bihar? The answer is Gupta dynasty. Which area of Bihar irrigated mostly by tubewells? The answer is Samastipur. What is the local time in Patna? It is ahead of the Indian Standard Time. What is the name of main financial institution of Bihar which provides financial aid to industry? The answer is Bihar State Financial Corporation. What percentage of area Jharkhand has acquired from Bihar after separation in 2000? 45.48%. Which city of Bihar is famous for parks and sanctuaries? The answer is Gaya. Where is the super thermal power plant located and who founded in? Answer is in Kahalgaon, NTPC. What is the population dynasty of Bihar? 1106. Where was the gunpowder manufacturing factory founded by Kumar Singh? The answer is Jagdishpur. Which river group merges with the river Ganga from north? Answer is Gandak, Kamala, Bagmati. What type of forest is found in Bihar mostly? The answer is tropical dry deciduous. Where is the Surya Mandir of Bihar located? The answer is Dev. Across which river Digha, Sonpur rail and road bridge is constructed? Answer is Ganges. Who was the first chief minister of Bihar? Answer is Muhammad Yunus in 1937. Who was the first governor of Bihar after independence? The answer is Jai Ram Das Daulat Ram. In which year did the sovereign republic rule in Bihar start? The answer is 1950. Who prepares the draft on a state plan of Bihar? The answer is State Planning Council. What is the total number of division in Bihar? The answer is 9. Education projects in Bihar are mostly related to which field? The answer is primary and adult literacy. What is the structure of Panchayat Raj system in Bihar? The answer is 3-tier: Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti and Jila Parishad. Which day is celebrated as Foundation Day of Bihar? The answer is April 1. How many times the president rule in Bihar has been imposed? The answer is 8 times. Which state for the first time had provided constitutional status to the Minority Commission? The answer is Bihar. Who decide whether a bill is money bill or not in the Legislative Assembly? The answer is Speaker of the State Assembly. How many Lok Sabha seats are there in Bihar? The answer is 40. Who is the first woman chief minister of Bihar? The answer is Rabri Devi. In which district of Bihar the first district planning was set up? The answer is Munger. What is the debit credit ratio of banks in Bihar? The answer is 30:70. What is the function of Magad Stock Exchange located in Patna? The answer is it is primary share market. Bihar education project is implemented in Bihar with the help of which agency? The answer is UNICEF. Which actor is also known as Bihari Babu? Nickname. The answer is Shatrughan Sinha. Where is the birthplace of Dr. Rajendra Prasad? The answer is Jiradei, Siwan. What is the name of a country situated on the border of Bihar? The answer is Nepal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe GKGS 24/7.